How to trim and cut video in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut app, you want to go ahead and simply tap on a new project. Now inside here, you simply want to go ahead and select a video. So once you're done, tap on add. So from here, go ahead and tap on the video. And now it is selected. So if you would like to trim this video, you can simply press onto it and simply drag it. And just like so, you have successfully trimmed this video. Let's say I would like to cut this video. So simply tap on split right over here and move the cursor and then tap on split again. Just like so, select the video between these two and then simply tap on delete. And just like so, you have successfully cut the video in CapCut. That is simply how you can trim and cut the video in CapCut. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.